Alright guys, so today I'm finally making the video, tornado video, and I've played it some, but not much. So, all I have is a beat up blue truck, and I can't see anything. Oh, yes. Oh, that didn't help. Alright, where do we go? Oh. Oh boy. So, I'm gonna go north. I'm gonna go north. South. North and then east. Oh my goodness. Oh yeah, I also spawned at... I didn't read that. I guess I'll go to this one right here. Oh, okay, yeah. That way. Oh boy. Let's see. Oh yeah, I'm finally on a computer, by the way. If you didn't know. You didn't know. Oh nice. You can kind of see it. Yep. Let's see. Can I see it? Oh my. Is this not massive? I think it's coming straight for me. No. Hey, can we stop? Hold on. No. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm just gonna put that down. Come on, get on. Dang, he's not even coming. Oh, I'll just pick this guy up. I don't know if they're one-time use if you don't pick them up. I haven't played this game that much. I'm trying to save up for like a Dominator maybe. Dominator 1. Let's see, next turn. Oh, I'm gonna do first person. 6 pretty cool. Yeah, no kidding. Dang! What? Why is it? There's a whole separate scanner? Well, I've never heard of that before. Dang. You can make a portable scanner. Oh, nice. Oh, no. I don't even have it in Roblox. I have 2. Let's see. What is that guy? Favorite part is after the tornado when you go to the gas station and there's just a ton of cars there. It's basically a car show. And I get to show off my cool blue Chevy. I think. Let's see, where is that it right there? I can't tell. I think I'm going into it. Unless that's it. Wait, no, that is it. No doubt. Okay, I'm going into it. What is it I'm using? Oh! Finally back. On the road. Let's go. I don't know how to report. Kind of know what a wedge is. Maybe a rope. Rope is. Oh, that's cool. Oh, hi, buddy. What the heck is that? Yo, that's not even a, like, truck or anything. How do you even get that? There it is. I'm gonna report the tornado, guys. You guys tell me if I got it right. I'm gonna guess funnel. Boom. You guys tell me if I'm right in the comments. Yep, there's my little funnel. Bro, it's kind of away. Alright, I'm gonna go somewhere in the video. How's it already so long? I feel like you can get so much information. Like, other people get so much stuff out, you know. I feel like I barely did any talking about anything in 13 minutes. I've seen like videos shorter than 13 minutes. They got more information than me. There you go, just go to Gimel. I think that's where everybody's going. Even the Windex guy. I want to see this Windex guy. Oh yeah, that's definitely a tornado. Is that like a wedge? Maybe, right? I'll take a picture with my truck. More money. Dang, I need $2. I'm never doing that again. It's only 4 a.m. in the game. Oh my goodness, I can see that clear. I don't even have to chase it. I could right here, but I'll get closer. Oh, and if you guys want to friend me, so you can chase storms with me, it's JRE2529. I don't care if you friend me or not. Probably, yeah. Comment and then send the friend request. So I know. I'm not gonna friend random people from games. You know? Oh, other guys. Who is this? Dang! I think they're all going that way, right? Yeah, I'm gonna follow them. With the moon or the sun. I wanna see where they're going. Where am I? Oh, right here. How did I get all the way up here? Where are you turning? Straight. Dang it, TIV. Yo, that's cool. Dang, look at this avatar too. I'm just trying to see. What? Wait. How did he get tornadoes on the side? What the heck? It's inside. Oh. Dang. I'm not trying to stay in. Just looking. Yeah, I'm gonna go. Oh, tornadoes on the side of my truck. Wow. Wow. Skies are so clear now. Dang, I should have waited till daytime to record this. Oh well. Maybe I'll make 2 videos out of this. Yeah. All I know is it is way too long. And I don't know what the heck? Did that guy just die? He just died. Thank you. Thank you very much. I just stole his Dominator. Let's go! Dang, I don't even have to save up for nothing. I stole his Dominator. Yo, I didn't think it would be this easy. Yo, what? Well, I drove it for a little bit. Jinxed myself. How do I start my car? Yeah. Alright, gas station. Oh yeah, I need to fill up my car. Alright, let's see. How much is it? Not even a red light, just no light. Hey, how's this red? Alright, let's see. Stop right here. What? Do I need to go in here and ask for gas? Hello, can I please have gas? Oh. Maybe, yeah. Oh my goodness, I gotta pay for gas in here. Okay, I'll buy these 2. Let's just see. I'm gonna end it once I refuel. Be a little tutorial too. Walk up to vehicle. Yeah, this one. Yeah. Come on, they don't like this one. Oh my goodness, I gotta go in. Dumb. Oh, I'll pull over. Short little town. Alright. See you guys later. No more storms anywhere. Yeah. Okay. End of the video. Bye.